Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is Butler Oscillator schematic. This is general purpose schematic for Butler. As you can see, the components not coming with exact value, but I should say this is an Iranian book and translated from the LD Gates. It's the book name is Electronic Basic, and here is the very nice Butler schematic, and this side is my project with the Butler, and meter as always 12 volt connected, and frequency. Very good. You can see the Butler working with 2 transistors. The Butler coming with RC tank circuit this way, the trimmer and coil. The coil is like cap, electrolytic cap, but this one is coil with ferrite core, and also we have the crystal this side. I used 2 megahertz. It can work till 20 megahertz with crystal like this with 2 pins. And here is my crystal bank. I'm going to check one by one the Butler Oscillator. One more time, I will stay on the project for the guys that they want to take photo or a screenshot to make this Butler nice oscillator. Thanks for watching.